Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite is one of those devices which you can use to convert your old TV to smart TV. In this particular video, I am going to talk about top 6 hidden settings or shortcuts you can use with this Fire TV Stick Lite Fire TV Lite remote. So they have given the Amazon Alexa based Lite version of this remote where there is the volume button, power button is not there, but yet this remote is pretty powerful, and I am going to talk about top 6 of the secret settings or key combination which you can use as a shortcut to do certain tasks. So without further delay, let's get started. The first shortcut many of the users really use every day, that is the quick launch menu of the shortcut menu. How to do it? Just press and hold home button on your remote in anywhere in the Fire TV Stick, whether you're playing games or any using TV, just hold this home button and this kind of window will come. The time will be there top of the list. You can change the profile, you can view all the installed application, you can put your device to sleep mode, you can also start screencasting and as well as open the Fire TV Stick settings menu. Now next move to the system reboot. This is, you have to press and hold the play pause button with the center OK button. It will force reboot your device. Here you can see Fire TV Stick Lite is powering up, this kind of pop-up will come and this will reboot your device. This is pretty much restarting the device, and again it will start restarting the device. So it is pretty handy, and if you can also use this option in Fire TV Stick Lite version because there's not a power button. So just do reset it, and when the screen is blank, just put up your wall socket AC volt power, so it will be there. Next is the factory reset. Press the right arrow and the back key for around 10 seconds. It will take some time, 10 seconds, and it will reboot, and it will start rebooting and resetting your hard reset. That's mean factory reset of Android device. Same thing is here. If you do not respond within 18 or 20 seconds in this pop-up, it will go to the force reset. So remember this thing, if you click cancel, then only cancel, otherwise it will definitely reset your device. So next thing is pretty handy. It will help you to see the developer tools and see the RAM usage, GPU hardware acceleration is activated or not, how much RAM is free, what is the internet bandwidth is there, resolution of the screen. So first of all, you have to press the center OK button, then once again after that keep down button and center button press, then release both button after 3 seconds and press the select button and leave it. So it will pop up this kind of developer tools menu. If you activated first option system X-ray, it will give you the display information, it will also give you the bandwidth, also give you how much RAM is free, your remote is connected or not, and it is the 59.9, that is the hertz or refresh rate. And if you enable the second option, advanced option, it will give you information that video hardware acceleration is activated or not, that's mean critical, GPU is activated or not, and etc, which codec is being used. Next is to change the resolution. If your display is not coming, you can change the resolution by pressing the rewind button and upward arrow button for a couple of seconds, and it will start changing the resolution from 1080p to 480p one by one, changing 60 Hz, 50 Hz, 30 Hz. It will do one by one automatically. If your monitor or the TV support this resolution, then you can use this current resolution option OK key in your remote, and it will be that resolution set to there. So this is pretty much handy, I can say, because sometimes you do not see some screen video or whatever, it's not coming, this black screen is there. So on that time it is not possible to go to the My Fire TV display setting, etc, etc. You can definitely do it by this shortcut method. It will automatically changing the resolution until it is you are getting press OK. So that's pretty cool setting or pretty cool shortcut of this remote, I can definitely say. Next is, many time we face that this one remote we are going to use with multiple Fire TV Stick devices, or Fire TV Stick remote is not working. That means you have to reset or unpair your remote first. So to this, left button, select button and back button, press and hold for a couple of seconds, then your remote will be reset or it will be unpaired from current device. Then only this remote will be available to pair with again with new device. So after this, press and hold hold home button for 10 seconds and this kind of remote connected option pop up will come. So that's mean the remote first of all disconnected from old device, and if you do it, it will again connect to the new devices. So that's all. It was the top 6 useful shortcuts which you can definitely try with your Fire TV Stick devices. I have tested this kind of setting with latest Fire OS 7.2.2.8 with Fire TV Stick Lite devices, which is of 2020 edition. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and stay subscribed to Some Tips to get more videos on Fire TV Stick.